Zero the dog making a noise. Hello Zero, there you are. Here he is. Alright, we're walking. It's Friday morning, early. It's around about 7 o'clock, I think. I haven't bothered to check the time or the temperature or anything. I've been noticing it's getting a little cooler. Well, it's really weird. We had rain last night, but we had 35 degrees here yesterday afternoon. I was around at 2 a.m. and it was raining. I don't know. Anyway, the rain has stopped and we've decided we're walking, and we'll be going out again today now to get our next load of wood. And the way things are going, we'll just keep on getting our wood. There's a vehicle coming. We'll keep getting our wood until they tell us to shelter in place. Okay, we've reached the turnaround area where I walk back. And here we go. Oh, by the way, if you could, I would appreciate you having a look down on the description box below and have a look at all the different channels that we've got there. We've got Trevor Dawson's channel. We've got EASTSIDE, WESTSIDE Time to Kill, our web series. We've got Frank TV Easy Guitar, which is... I'm adding to that at the moment. I put the pentatonic scale in and the extensions of that scale. So we're adding a little bit to it. It doesn't get added to a lot, but it's there. That's Frank TV Easy Guitar. And a few others. So have a look and see what you think. And if you would, subscribe to them and hit the bell and do all that subscribing and bell smashing stuff. We'd appreciate it. And if you can't do that, just hit the like button, will you? Because Google likes it, or YouTube likes it when you hit the like button, and the algorithms give you kudos or whatever. I don't know, but if you would hit the like button or the hate button, that's fine. As long as you hit one of them or all of them, we'd appreciate it. Thank you so much. Is that a train? It's another train. I can't believe it. It is. I'll get back so we can have a view. Hang on. Here we go. It's coming. You can just see the headlights. And here it comes. big shout out to another new subscriber too, Noel. Noel is from Ireland. So that's, I think, the Conroy boys. With two brothers from Ireland. That's fantastic. It's good to have you here. Thank you for watching. I'd like you to know I've subscribed to both of your channels too. So just so you know, increase your numbers. Fantastic to have you. And we'll be doing some more footage like this. And a bit more scenery. Here in Oz. And we'll keep you updated with what's happening. As far as the virus is concerned here in Australia. And the toilet paper situation. I can't believe that. It's worldwide. Everybody's dived on the toilet paper. That is a little weird. A little weird. As one of my people, well actually a person I subscribe to, said, and I forget her name, but she's a lady with the two Malamutes and Milo the cat. And she said, you know, everybody's dived on the TP, and there's shower heads for that. And I've had to agree with her that, you know, it's a bit weird that you should just dive on TP and toilet paper and just grab it and hoard, especially when there's going to be, like, supposedly food shortages. Ain't going to need too much toilet paper. But anyway, that is not the situation here at the moment. People are a little bit panicky, but not too bad. And I think the thing will level out. That's just my thoughts. But I don't think it's going to get that bad. As you can see, we've got all the gear ready to go. Love the milk crate. It's got all my stuff in it. That's my tackle box for the chainsaw. It's got all the screwdrivers and whatnot for tightening the chain and all that. And so that's what we need. We need the log splitter, the block splitter. We'll have to get that. That's the only thing. And one very important thing is plenty of water, tons of water. So that's full and fresh. So we've got that. There of our cups. There's the head. That's Marilyn's. That's Mrs. Mac's helmet. And so there we go. So we're all set to go. Oh, yeah. Open a door. Bit of a dome light on here. Yeah, we're sitting in the shade. It's not a coolabah tree. In the shade of a coolabah tree. No, it's not. It's they don't grow here. They grow further north, the coolabah type trees. They're sort of in arid, deserty. What we've got is bottle brush. Not basil brush, bottle brush. Yes. And do you like the seat cover? It's red. Cost $4. Seriously, at Super Cheap, I went, ooh, a seat cover for $4. Because they don't normally have $4 seat covers anywhere. They're usually like 30 or 40 or 60. Well, you know, $4. Yeah. Super Cheap Auto in Wangaratta. They're the people that I buy these gloves from too. They're like $2. They're fantastic. They do a great job. So, yeah, so $4 for a seat cover. I went, yeah, why not? So we got it. And it served itself because Mrs. Mac drives this one a lot. And with her work. And yeah, so she's got a seat cover. This is good. But anyway, so we're just sitting here waiting. And soon enough, she'll be out. And off we'll go into the wild blue yonder. Well, not the wild blue yonder, really. It's just up there. Well, Mrs. Mac and I have been isolating out the bush. And this is bush. This is really out there. But we've come away with this. There's our next load. So we've done really well, and we're actually out there. There's more. We may come back here. We're going down this way, which is a road. It's about 10 kilometres long till you get to the intersection, and right along this road you're allowed to get wood, and it looks like nobody else has been out here since last year. So there's a bit of stuff, so we're grateful for that, and we'll be taking this home and cutting a lot of it up.